Good morning, guys. Here we are with the Gladiator Brothers. Look at this guy. I love these shorts, bro.
Sexy.
Don't worry, I got my shorts too.
Gotta time the chicken legs.
Yeah. So we are on our way to the beach. Have a little good time with the family, and definitely beautiful day here in Florida. 70 degrees.
Some beer can't go wrong with a Corona Toretto's voice. And that's it, we gotta go.
Hey guys, that's the reason why it's so much fun to own a 4x4. It doesn't matter if it's a Jeep or a Toyota or anything. It's just you are able to do activities like this. Just go off-roading, like to the beach. You can go to the mountain, go to different spots where a normal car cannot take you. So.
You got them, gente? We're right here at the beach, guys, but we arrived and it's freaking cold. Look, it dropped to 63 degrees, and when we left home, it was like 77. But no problem, we're gonna have a good time here. Hey, I got you recording me.
I got you too. Yes, I am.
I'm recording you. Hey, I got you recording me. You recording me? Oh, cool, I'm recording you. Right, let's turn around and go over there. Did you put it on low or what? Let's see. There we go. You gotta put it on 4 low at all times. What were you riding in?
I was in 4 high, just didn't do it.
Oh man, come on, bro.
Guys, so we spotted this beauty right here. It's a 95. Wow. The owner actually has it set up for fishing. You guys can see. It has the fishing rod right there. Amazing.
So we found this spot, very cool. Like pretty much we're all alone at the beach. There's nobody near. It's pretty cool. And just some family fun.
And this is what I was telling everyone. That's a good thing about owning a 4x4 vehicle. You can just go to places that are not as accessible.
Well, I'll tell you why, because before I had the Gladiator, we also have a Telluride, right? And then there's a 4-wheel drive Telluride, but the ones that we have wasn't. So we went into a beach like this and I got seriously stuck. Right? And after that day, I saw him just pulling through and I was like, you know what? I'm getting a Jeep.
It was so
and I got
funny.
a Gladiator. So like 7 days after, we went and got the Gladiator. Yeah. For you ladies, Gladiator Brothers, girls.
Wife. Excuse me.
Ah, wife. Ah. Future wife, girlfriend. Damn, she messed you up, dude. Oh. All right, so let's get back to it. Why are you guys cold? And my daughters are like surfing. Holy crap, it's cold. Girls, you guys are not cold? Okay. Hey, say bye to every one of you too. Bye. Bye. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And just to say something else, like always, peace out. See y'all later. Hey, and right before we left, check what happened. We got dogged! Yeah. How cool is this, bro? I love this about the community. Nice Jeep. You have been dogged by a fellow Jeeper. Hope it brightened your day. It really did. All right, guys. And follow them on Facebook. It's Duck Duck Jeep. Thank you, guys. We appreciate it.
Thank you.